The future is closer than you think. By 2030, the world will look radically different. Artificial intelligence has predicted 10 groundbreaking inventions that will transform our lives forever. These aren't science fiction. These are technologies already in development. Let's explore the innovations that will define the next decade. Here are the 10 inventions that will exist by 2030. Number 10. AI personal health parts. Imagine a device that can diagnose any illness in minutes. These parts use advanced AI to scan your entire body, detecting diseases before symptoms even appear. With nanosensors and machine learning, they'll create personalized treatment plans instantly. Early detection could save millions of lives and reduce healthcare costs by 70%. Major tech companies are investing billions to make this available by 2028. Number 9. Neuralink language translators. Communication barriers are about to disappear. This tiny device connects directly to your neural pathways, translating any language in real time. By reading your brain's speech intent, it can translate thoughts before you even speak. Supporting over 200 languages with 99% accuracy, this will revolutionize global business and travel. Beta testing begins in 2027, with full release expected by 2030. Number 8. Atmospheric water generators for every home. Clean drinking water from thin air. These AI-optimized devices can extract up to 100 gallons of pure water daily from humidity. Using solar power and advanced filtration, they work even in low humidity environments. This technology could solve water scarcity for 2 billion people worldwide. Already in advanced trials, mass production is set for 2029. Number 7. Fully autonomous drone delivery networks. Your package in 15 minutes, guaranteed. AI-powered drones will navigate cities autonomously, avoiding obstacles and weather hazards. Coordinated by central AI, thousands of drones will operate simultaneously without collisions. From groceries to life-saving medicine, delivery times will drop from days to minutes. Major cities will implement this by 2028, with global coverage by 2030. Number 6. Biodegradable smart packaging. The end of plastic waste forever. Made from engineered biomaterials, this packaging dissolves completely within 30 days. Embedded sensors monitor freshness, track shipping, and provide product information. This could eliminate 300 million tons of plastic waste annually. Major brands are already transitioning, with full adoption expected by 2029. Number 5. Quantum battery cells. Charge your devices in seconds, power them for weeks. Using quantum entanglement, these batteries charge 100 times faster than current technology. Electric vehicles will achieve 2,000-mile ranges and charge in under 5 minutes. They'll store renewable energy efficiently, making solar and wind power truly viable. Prototypes already exist, with commercial production planned for 2029. Number 4. Holographic communication systems. Video calls will become face-to-face meetings. AI-powered projections create life-size 3D holograms that look and move realistically. Advanced sensors capture every expression and gesture, transmitting presence, not just image. Families separated by distance will feel together again. Distance becomes meaningless. Consumer models will launch in 2028, making this accessible to millions. Number 3. AI mental health companions. A therapist available 24/7, just for you. These AI companions are trained on millions of therapy sessions, understanding emotions deeply. They detect subtle emotional cues in your voice, words, and even biometric data, providing personalized support for anxiety, depression, and daily stress management. Early versions launch in 2027, potentially reducing mental health crises by 40%. Number 2. Vertical ocean farms. Growing food beneath the waves to feed billions. AI-managed underwater farms use ocean currents and nutrients to grow crops year-round. These farms take no land, use no fresh water, and produce zero agricultural runoff. Each farm can feed 50,000 people while actually improving ocean ecosystem health. Pilot programs begin in 2026, with hundreds operational by 2030. Number 1. Personal AI memory augmentation. Never forget anything ever again. This neural interface records and enhances your memories with perfect clarity. AI assists your brain's natural processes, strengthening memory formation and recall. Learn languages in weeks, master skills in days, and recall information instantly. It could help prevent memory loss from aging and neurological diseases. With military-grade encryption, your memories remain completely private and secure. Currently in FDA trials, this could be available for consumer use by late 2030. These 10 inventions will fundamentally change how we live, work, and connect. The future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we create. By 2030, these predictions could be our reality. The question is, are you ready? Which invention are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss updates as these technologies become real. Check out our other videos on future technology and AI predictions. Thanks for watching. The future is closer than you think.